أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. إنا جعلنا ما على الأرض زينة لها لنبلوهم أيهم أحسن عملا. إنا two حركة غنة, two حركة stretching due to alif مادية. إنا جعلنا Ain important, not Hamza, okay? It's not Hamza, it is Ain. Ja'alna ma, again two haraka. Ain again, you have to be careful, not Hamza. Alal ardi. Ra sakin heavier as it has a letter before it carrying fatha ar. Don't make Hamza heavy, just Ra sakin heavier. Ardi, not a D and also not a Z. It is a dad with half al lisan touching your gums or the roots of upper molar and premolar teeth. Okay, alal ardi, make it heavier. Zinatan laha. Can you see this is the za which is having that buzzing sound? Okay, zinatan laha. Don't do any gunna. Tal, not tan. Tal. Zinatan laha linabluwahum. Linab, ba with the qalqala. Qalqala means bouncing it sound. Don't say linablu. Nab, no, nab. Okay, linab. Don't make it too much. Okay, that should be qalqala sughra. Linabluwahum ayyuhum. Ayyu, not ayyu. Don't make that very lean. It should be ayyu with a what we say, the tashdeed should be followed properly with the number ayyuhum. Okay, ayyuhum ahsanu amala. This ha and this ha has a separate sound. You can see even the makhraj is different. This ha is from the last part of the throat and this ha from the middle. It has a blunt sound. Ayyuhum, hum, just like how we say how, home, house in English language, similar to it, but this has a very sharp sound. Ahsanu. Okay, you have to make that, keep that difference, okay, or else both the letters will sound same and the word will change. Ayyuhum ahsanu amala, not amala, amala. Ain. Amalan will become amala. Repeat with me. إنا جعلنا ما على الأرض زينة لها لنبلوهم أيهم أحسن عملا.